It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. We are jumping in with the set today, another Halloween look. I'm going to be using these orange little confetti pieces and these two double dip acrylics. The bright orange one glows in the dark, and then we have this kind of burnt orange brownish shade. I already got started, so this is going to be kind of a quick video, and I'm going to be using these little silver pumpkins here. This kit came from Shein. All right, so we jumping in here, y'all, and I'm going to show you how I did this look. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by adding this light orange. Going to add this toward the tip of the nail. And I'm going to do an ombre with these two colors. But I want that orange, well, the bright orange, to be a little toward the top. So you're going to see how I'm going to do it. So now I'm going to apply the darker orange. And just slowly kind of work it down. And I'm just going to bring it down into that other one, just like so. Now I'm going back into the light orange. And I'm going to bring that back up. So depending on what you want to be on top, what glitters you want to be on top, you can either blend downward or blend upward. But because I wanted to build this color up a little bit, that's why I blended this first, then blended the brown down, and then blended more of this. So it really just depends on the look that you are going for. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little clear. And I'm going to use this to place my little pumpkin. Right there. Then I'm going to place these little cutout pieces. So this look is fairly simple. It's not a whole lot to do. So for this video, I'm gonna try to keep everything in real time for y'all. All of the other Halloween videos I sped up, but for this one I'll let y'all see everything, okay? So now that I have that down, I'm going to encapsulate it. And the goal is to just get everything covered in my clear acrylic. Just like that, y'all. I'm gonna do these other two, and then it will be time to file, buff, and shape and do all that good stuff. Now I am going in with the ballerina top coat, also a double dip company or sister company or affiliate. You can buy ballerina on the double dip website. So I'm going in with that top coat, and if you want to get any of the double dip products, I do have a link and a coupon code for them, so definitely check that out in my description bar. I'm just going to apply this top coat and cure it in my lamp, and this is what I used. Again, both of these double dip colors, and this is the name if you want to try to find them. And of course, because one of them glows in the dark, I'm going to show you the glow, so don't worry about that. All right, I love glow in the dark nails, so that is like my favorite thing right now, and I had to make sure that for my Halloween looks we had a lot of glowing nails. All right, so I'm going to finish this top coat, put it in the lamp, and I'm going to show you the giveaway items. Alrighty, so this is how the nails are looking, and these are the giveaway prizes. All right, so for this video we have 3 giveaways. All right, and the 3 winners will get some ballerina items. All right, so we have this ballerina brush, we have the ballerina lamp, and the cord that goes with it, 2 of these little clamps, and these are items that came in the ballerina kits. These are some dual forms. All right, so you can use all of these with polygel or acrylic or anything that you already have at home. I'm going to do some polygel giveaways separately, but for today we have these 3 little kits that I put together with the overflow from my ballerina polygel kit. I don't need 3 lamps. I don't need, 3 sets of all of this stuff. So I said I was going to give it to you all right, so again, thank you all for helping me hit 3K. That's why I've been doing these giveaways in every video in October. All right, so if you missed any of the videos, there's still time for you to go back and enter those giveaways. All right, how to enter the giveaway is in the description bar, and I will put the winners on my community tab probably in November. All right, so that's the giveaway. All right, you get this cute little kit, some polygel accessories for y'all. Okay, and let's take another look at this nail set. Okay, so look at that, so cute. I am back at my old camera stand, which has the overhead view, and I'm trying to decide if I want to switch back to this view. To me, it just looks better, but when filming and I need to hold the nail downward, I feel like y'all can see that better from the other angle. So let me know in the comments. I just feel like y'all can't see what I'm doing when I'm holding the nail downward. That's why I got the whole other angle, but the phone be in my face and I can't even see what I'm doing now. So let me know how y'all feel about the angles and such. All right, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. All right, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up, share it with somebody, okay, so that we can get Itz Sirap to 4K, 5K, 6K, all the way to our play button and beyond. All right, make sure that you keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order. Okay, and guess what time it is? It's a wrap, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.